Using the Photofocus eyeshadow primer from Wet n Wild. I'm gonna bring my primer like all the way out here because I kind of want an intense cat eye looking eyeshadow. I like to get in this crevice right here too. For this look, I will be using the Jaclyn Hill palette and the Pure Midnight Masquerade face palette. With a Firma 202 brush, I'm gonna take Beam and use this for my brow highlight. I like to add a little extra right here under the arch of the brow. I'm gonna blend that down. I'm also gonna use this LA Girl Eye Looks Mesmerizing eyeshadow palette. It's the purple one, and this is in the Glamorize palette. I'm gonna take this brush from Wet n Wild. I'm gonna take this purple right here and use this for my transition color. I like bringing that right underneath my eyebrow as well to give it that contoured look. Taking a ruby brush, going in with the Jaclyn Hill palette, I'm gonna take Abyss.
I'll be putting this on my crease.
I'm gonna pack it first.
This is why I didn't start with foundation first, because I like working with this whole area and I don't like the fallout to stick to my powder or foundation.
Okay, to blend this out, I'm taking the Luxie 239 Precision Shader Brush, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and blend this. Just take your time. I'm using a super light hand and bringing this outwards and upwards. And now I'm taking the ruby brush again, and I'm just going to fill in the outer corner. That's because I like to build it up. And don't worry, just build it up even more by adding more. So now that the edges of my eyeshadow is good, I'm gonna take the Luxie brush again and just blend wherever I need to. Going back with the Eye Looks and the Wet n Wild brush. I'm just going to add a little bit more because I do want that lavender to pop out. Go ahead if you need to wipe a little bit more. At this point, I will be doing my face base makeup and my eyebrows, and then I will be right back. Okay, I'm back and I will link everything that I used on my face down below in the description box. Back to the LA Girl palette, taking this color again. I'm using the Luxie 141 mini round brush. And then I'm just gonna add this all on my lower lash line. After that, with the same brush, I'm taking Abyss from the Jaclyn Hill palette and adding that really close to my lash line. I'm gonna bring that all the way. So focusing the darkness on the outer corner and then slowly bringing it in into a fade. Starting on the outer corner, then slowly bringing that into a fade. Feel free to go back into the pan. That looks beautiful. I wanted that full glam pageant looking makeup. Now I'm taking this brush from Royal Langnickel, taking the smudge side, using the Pure Midnight Masquerade palette. I want to take the silver color and add this on my inner corner. Oh, so good. Then I'm going to bring that here. Taking my powder brush and removing all the glitters that fell. To make the inner corners even more blinding, I'm taking this Sephora miniature palette. It's the pink one. I'm gonna take Candy and add that right here. Now I'm done with the eyeshadows. Now I'm gonna curl my lashes, put some mascara, and put some false lashes, and I'll be right back. I'm going to use the Revlon Photo Ready Eye Art. It's this purple one, and I do want to use these glitters because it's going to be New Year's. You could do as many glitters as you want. Yes, this is what I was missing. This is what I wanted. I'm just taking a synthetic brush to add that right in between silver and black. Feel free to put as many glitters as you want though. I want 2019 to be the year of making dreams come true. I want to start off the new year with like amethyst colors, midnight blue. But I think this is the perfect New Year's look for me. I hope you guys love this video. Let me know what look are you gonna do for New Year's. You don't have to use lavender and purple. You could use whatever colors you want and then just pair it with a smoky eye. You can easily do this look with just pairing black eyeshadow, smoke it out, and then pair it with a lighter color of the choice you want. Pick out any glitters you want and then just stamp it right in between silver and black. It doesn't have to be silver either. You could use gold. You could do so much with Smokey eyeshadow. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did having fun doing this makeup look. Thank you guys so much for watching, and lastly, have a happy new year and make your dreams come true.